guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Gummy or Rin. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Gummy fam. So today we'll be going through a haul from Shein that is only going to be leggings and gym leggings and so on and so forth. So let's hop right into the video, guys. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of these leggings I actually bought just because they looked really comfy, and a lot of these I've actually seen on TikTok before. So I could practically say that this is literally a TikTok made me buy it video. But oh yeah, I have got a blue version of these. These are literally just gym pants, gym leggings. So yeah, and it has like this scrunched booty thing. I don't know why it's the in thing these days to make sure that people have two ass cheeks. I don't know if it's like sexy or whatever, but apparently people like that. It's not really my thing, but you know. These look really cute. Like, I practically got it for the part at the bottom here because it looks really cute. I don't know why that's a trend going around where you want to see people have a wedgie, but anyway, let's give this a try on. Not gonna lie, I actually really like these. Other than the fact that it gives you a constant wedgie all the time, I actually really like these, and they're really comfy. So let's move on to the next one. Okie dokie. I'm not going to lie, most of the ones that I did order, I don't even remember what they are or how they look, because there are quite a few in the list. So, oh, yeah, this one has like a netting over here. That is quite interesting. Okay, well, let's try it on. Hopefully it actually looks as good as I hoped it would. I'm not gonna lie, I actually thought for a second that these were a bit see-through from the back. So I'm glad to see that they're not completely see-through and you couldn't actually see any of the business that was happening behind. So I'm pretty glad. Moving on to the next one. Let's see what we got. Ooh, this one feels really good actually. Oh my word. Ooh, this material is crazy good. Oh, even the pattern is pretty good. Oh my goodness. Let's try it on right now. I'm not too sure if I like this one or not, but it is actually really comfortable to be in. But it's very warm. Like, I don't think these would be gym pants actually, because I am getting really hot in them. And if I work out in these, I'm gonna sweat so much. So I'm probably not going to wear these when I'm working out. Maybe if it's just like a really hot day or cold day, sorry. If it's like a cold day and I just want to chill out, I'll maybe wear these. Maybe. But I'm not a big fan. I really love the patterns though. the patterns look like there's like a storm going on around my like legs. I like that. Okay, I can't get it open. Oh, did I just break it? Oh my god. Let me in. Whatever. I was gonna break the bag if I didn't get in. Oh, I actually do remember getting this one. I really like the cross stitching over here. And then it has like these weird looking, I don't know what you want to call that. I really like this, and it also has really cool bottoms over here. So yeah, it's like the sheer look again. I really love this one, so I really hope it fits me. So yeah, let's get right into it. This one is way too loose for me. I am so sad. I'm so freaking sad. On the good hand though, it is pretty flexible. Like the pants are really flexible and I like this. But it's just way too loose for me. Oh my word. Like that ruins it so much. But it's okay. I will still wear this. I don't mind that. The second last one of today's tights haul. Are these leggings or tights? I have no idea what the difference is. Oh, look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I hope this actually fits me because it's so pretty. Let's try it on. So unfortunately, this one is also a bit small for me. I did not know that with like leggings I'm a small. I usually take size medium, but apparently I'm small. So yeah, hopefully this one does fit. This is definitely one of the ones that I saw from TikTok and I was like, give it to me, baby. So yeah, it is these weird, I don't know how you would describe these octagons, hexagons. This weird pattern, I have no idea what pattern it is, but it's really stretchy and it is really comfy and it just looks good. Hopefully it's good enough for my freaking body because all my freaking things are being so loose at the moment, which is kind of annoying. So hopefully this one isn't the same thing because then I'm going to be really mad. So let's get it on. So for this one, it's funny enough, it's actually a little too tight. I struggled my booty getting into these freaking things. So I'm not sure if they're supposed to be that way. Like I have shorts like these, but I don't struggle getting into them. Maybe it's just because it's the leggings that it's really hot. I have no idea. But other than that, the color is cute. I don't know if I really like it that much. It kind of has a weird texture to it, but it's like a love-hate relationship, especially with this, because it's really tight. And when it's really tight, it goes up places you don't want it to go up. So, yeah, other than that, I kind of like it, but I kind of don't. But, maybe if I get a bigger size in this particular one, maybe it'll be a bit better for me. Hopefully. But anyway, that is the end of this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. And I hope you have an amazing weekend. Mwah! Love you!